Introducing a proven system to start a YouTube business and make a full-time income, without making any videos or showing your face. A system created by Dylan Miller. The guy who has built multiple wildly successful cash cow YouTube channels and has received handsome payouts. Dylan is on a mission to teach thousands of like-minded individuals to leave their 9-to-5 jobs behind. Learn how to create an online business using YouTube, grow a channel that you already have, increase your revenue, time spent with your family, become your own boss, start your own cash cow YouTube channel, grow and scale it. Learn the secret formula used by the award-winning YouTube expert, Dylan Miller, to dominate every aspect of creating an empire on YouTube, without making any videos yourself or showing your face. Everything from choosing the best high-paying niche, setting up your channel for success, best video optimization and ranking practices, how to hire other people to make the videos for you, and everything else you need to know on how to start and scale your YouTube empire. You could be his next success story. Click the link below this video and get free training.